Oh, that's the sheriff. What is up, y'all? We are leaving the crib right now. I literally was trying to take a shower and I just ran out of soap. So with that being said, we are headed to go get some soap in my 2023 BMW F90 M5. It is a little rainy out, but that is okay. We still gonna enjoy the ride. So let's go ahead and hop in and we out. Go. And just walk it out, y'all. That's how you drive, buddy. Now let's turn that traction back on, good boy. That's how you leave the house. Hey, this rain is dangerous, I ain't gonna lie. And these tires cold. Oh, and this road's scary. It's like dark. It's too dark. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why my pedal feel like this. Traction is non-existent right now, bro. Oh, holy cow. We are on some back roads, y'all. Oh, that coming downhill scary. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, is that a cop? Oh my This road is trenched. But we are in 4th gear sliding, bro. Like, that's insane. You come off a dirt road like that. Alright, come on, we walking this one. These roads are actually scary back here. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all, hey, I ain't never slid on these roads, so I'm a little nervous, but hey, we good. Okay, get that off. actually insane. Oh, dang, that truck coming, boy. Sent that one a little too hard. Going a little too fast, twin. That thing sounds crazy, bro. It's low key. Low key, I'm still getting traction, like on the lowest key, bro. The F90 is him, I must admit. Sorry, I ain't talking a lot. Hey, these roads back here is crazy. Oh yeah, it's too open over here. Dang, that would have been a crazy corner to slide though, I ain't gonna lie. That would have been a crazy corner. Seems like everybody getting off work. Oh yeah, no sir. A little too much traffic back here to be sliding now, I ain't gonna lie. Dog, this thing just be ready to just be like, yeah, I'm taking off. Oh, water. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's the sheriff. Great. Off. Oh. Don't do that wrong. Not bothering me. Perfect. Yo, that was close. Oh snap, bro. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that was close. Yo, that was close. Hey, that was close. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. We got off on them boys. We got off on them boys. Oh my goodness. We got off on them boys. That was close, I ain't gonna lie. The thing is, I was gonna slide that corner too, but that, hey, that count. Hey, thank you. Let me chill. Let's go, baby. Let's get to this Walmart. I need some soap. Let's go. Oh, I love this F90. Oh, I freaking love this car so much, dog. I love this car so much. Let me roll my windows up now. Oh, I love the F90 so much, bro. I love this freaking car, bro. It's literally the best freaking car ever in the freaking world, bro. Oh my goodness. You can have so much fun. Bro, I'm going 70 in the rain. I'm chilling. I'm freaking chilling, bro. I know he He heard my car for sure, y'all. He heard it, but hey, it ain't like, hey, oh, he ain't see me doing that. Let me slow down. Speed limit 55. Let me calm down, calm down. Yo, the F90 is the best freaking car, bro. Actually. I hope that's not a cop, cause I speeding. All right, let's chill. We going 60. Oh. Man, like, bro, somebody said the M5CS is better. Daily driving, M5CS is actually not better. It's very uncomfortable. I know a guy who had an F90 comp, and then he went and got the CS. You know what he missed? He misses the comfort seats with the massages. Dougie. And you know what else he missed? The active driving that I have. You know what I'm saying? The driving assist package. He missed all that, bro. Yes, the CS is a better sedan, of course, bro. But daily driving? I don't know. I don't know if I get a CS. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This car is so freaking fun, bro. I'm about to run into a Walmart though, because I literally just ran out of soap, bro. I was like getting ready to take a shower, and I was like, bro, what? I don't have no soap, bro. I gotta go get soap, bro. Oh, that F90. Hold on, listen to that. Hey, let me chill. Bro, it is so freaking fun. Oh, hold on. Why turning? Stop! You maxed it. What are you doing? Hey, yeah, you maxed it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This is 90. Stay out that way, young man. You got no business getting over, bro. He put on his hatches because he was going through the fog, bro. Don't you know? You better act like you know. Come on, Durandis. Yo, the F90 is him, bro. The F90 is the best car, bro. I wish I could put well, technically y'all all riding in the car just through the phone screen, but I wish I could get every single one of y'all to ride, bro. I wish all y'all can come hop in the whip and we just go on a nice ride, bro, because y'all deserve it. Everybody deserves to experience the F90 M5, bro. Now that I wouldn't say everybody, but a lot of people do deserve to experience the F90 M5. I must admit, this is a wonderful, wonderful car. I don't know, bro. Cutting up on the back roads now, to me, is more fun than cutting up on the main roads. It's just too much risk, bro. Like, honestly, I don't want to risk, like, other people's lives, bro, for my, like, if I want to be stupid and drift and go fast, bro, I just do it on the back road. Because I don't have to risk nobody else's life, bro. It's just, I don't know. I'm starting to have, like, a conscience about that, like, stuff. I just know I feel terrible, bro, if I hurt somebody or anything just because of my stupid actions. Like, if I, like, right now, if I'm keeping it a buck, I just want to floor it. Not gonna lie to you. I want to floor it right now, but I'm trying to be responsible and just be like, bro, you don't need to floor it, bro, for what? I know I got bad tires. I know I need new tires. I floor it, and then I get sent sideways, then what? Then I'm cooked. Exactly. Good job. Good job. That has to be like the worst thing, like that has to be top 10, bro. Go in the shower with no soap, bro. And it's just like oh my goodness, dog. It's the ass bags, bro. Hey, y'all know that video? If y'all haven't watched it already, go watch it. The video where the cop was like, your headlights weren't working, and he took my gun and stuff. That video happened right there, bro. Right there. That's my BP that I always go to with the Popeyes. They were brutally at joke. I'll stop. Oh! And performance brakes. I could have went, but it's too much just risk around. Too much risk around. Y'all can't tell me this car just feel good shifting, bro. Hey, what I don't like about over here though, there's no E85. That's like the worst thing. Why is there no E-gang? Why is there no E-gang? I want to get back, bro. It's not much traffic out here, so I don't mind. Like, bro, right now it's 5 o'clock, bro. It's supposed to be like rush hour traffic, but since it's not much traffic out here, it's like perfect. Oh, stop! Appreciate you. What are you doing, bro? Oh, you chilling? You eating and stuff? All right, y'all. We have made it to the Walmart, man. Want to go ahead, run in here, grab all the stuff I need, and then I'm gonna be right. Which side? Oh yeah, home and pharmacy. This is the side I need to be on, twin. I need that. Oh, I'm about to take that parking spot. I need that front parking spot. There you go. Whoa, everyone looking at me. There you go, bro. Move around. All right, y'all, let's run into this Walmart and get what we need to get. Y'all can't really see nothing, but it's only right that we leave a house in style. What? I'm not settling for that. It's my corner right here. That is it. Okay. Whoa. Holy cow. That thing got loose.